Well, girl ahead. Welcome to Villa 207 at O&O Reethi Rah here in the Maldives. Oh, what a welcome. Janvier Chambertin and this gatto and my favourite flowers. And I'm looking through the flowers at the bed, which has plenty of sockets either side, USB and USB-C and fibre optics, and a great entertainment centre, entertainment centre, right there bedside, and some strategic pieces of furniture. But strategically, look at the design. This is Jaya Ibrahim and Jean-Paul Gatti, really at their very best. When this resort opened, it set the template for so much here in the Maldives. Good points everywhere. A soft rug, ideal for my morning exercises. I can put my suitcase on top of this structure in the middle of the bathroom, which actually has the safe in it. His and hers sinks and a big shower with easy work levers that are nowhere near the actual shower head. And a bathtub that gives a lovely view looking outside into the garden. And talking of the garden, now, well, it's not a garden, it's a private beach. Look at my private beach with somewhere to laze and a hammock and an outdoor sala where I shall have my lunch very soon. I hope it arrives soon. I'm jolly hungry. Here at one and only Reethi Rah in the Maldives.